In JavaScript, we can do maths with numbers and number variables and save the results back into a variable, either the same variable or a different one. So for instance, we have two variables here, x and y, with the values of 3 and 4. We can do this little operation here, so we get minus x plus y, which is the same as minus 3 plus 4, and then we can save the result of that into the variable z. Here, we're getting x plus y, so we get the value of x, 3 plus 4, and we're saving that back into the variable x. So it's kind of like we're overwriting x here by equating it to this new value of this operation done here. Similarly, with z, we're overwriting the value of z, which was previously this here, minus x plus y. We're overwriting that by subtracting 9 from it, z minus 9, and then saving that value back into the variable z. And same deal for x and y here, and this is what the division operation looks like in code, and this is what multiplication looks like. That's an asterisk and that's a /. JavaScript also has some shortcuts for the cases where we want to do some arithmetic on a variable and save the result back into the same variable. So to do that, we write the variable that we're changing, here that's x, then the operation, so like plus, minus, times, divide, etc., then equals, and then the number that we are doing that operation with. So here, x plus equals 3 is the same as x equals x plus 3. So that is just a short form of that. JavaScript has some even shorter shortcuts for when we're just adding and subtracting 1. So y plus plus is the same as y equals y plus 1. And z minus minus is the same as z equals z minus 1. So when we're just dealing with ones here in our little operation, then you can just use this shortcut of plus plus or minus minus. These are really handy in loops, which is something we'll meet in a later video. So let's practice that. See if you can work out what the variable x will be after we run this code here. Try not to type this code into the P5 editor and see if you can work it out just by reading this code. And we'll give you a moment to do that. Feel free to pause the video. Hopefully you got that x is equal to 23 after this quick maths.